Today we have a special guest, and his name is Nicholas. Okay. And I'm going to be drinking a whole can of sparkling water and see if I can't burp. While we're doing that, do you want to see my dog? Maybe.
No.
Yo.
Yeah.
I know that.
Go.
I'm about to burp. Not like. Never mind. Wait.